Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got, 72 4x4. This thing is sweet, guys. I just out driving it and had a blast. Don't worry, I didn't take it mudding. I wanted to, but man, this truck is amazing. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift and show you. It's got a painted bottom side. We're gonna get under the hood. We're gonna look in the bed. We're gonna look in the interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 4x4 investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. That grill is looking good. The chrome on the front bumper looks great. And then the Chevrolet license plate, USA 1, baby, bow tie. This thing is sweet, guys. The paint work on it is amazing. All the panels fit great. All the emblems look good. All the trim looks great. And I love the all-terrains on it. Everything about the truck is just amazing. The side view mirrors, the vent window chrome's in good shape. Door handle looks good. Door jamb's nicely painted. All the interior looks like it's brand spanking new. Take a look at that dash. All the chrome looks good in there. She's beautiful. All the gauges look brand new. Dash pad itself's in good shape. Headliner looks good. Upholstery on the seat looks great. Just an amazing vehicle right here, guys. This four-wheel drive, bring back some memories. And look inside the bed. Doesn't look like this truck ever had to go to work one day in its life. That's the thing about pickup trucks, especially four-wheel drives. These things went to work and made money. This one didn't go to work. This one was at home on vacation since 1972. It's beautiful. That tail panel there looks good. The chrome on the back bumper's looking good. When you look down the side of it, look at that body work, nice and straight. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this truck. So you can bet we spent some time and checked it out before we bought it. When we bring them here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about them. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now we're bringing in 40 vehicles every month, and I'm involved in buying every one of those trucks and cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car and four-wheel drive industry, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take our 72 4x4 for a ride. Rotisserie done, guys. The truck is beautiful. Now we're gonna get this video done here in a hurry because Mom Nature's threatening to rain on us and we don't wanna get this beauty all mucked up. Even though I'd love to take this baby out in the mud right now. Got a couple little raindrops coming here, but rest assured we'll get her back inside. Tell you what, driving great. Anybody knows these old four-wheel drives? Look at that, driving with no hands on the wheel, Mom. Everything about the truck's cool, guys. Rotisserie done. Beautiful wheel and tire set up on it. Beautiful paint on the truck. Driving awesome, feeling awesome, looking great. And we can park this dream in your drive no matter where you live in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. If you want some help with financing, we got you covered on that end too. We got 3 bankers we work with. Takes about a 15-minute phone call with the bankers, or you can fill out an app online at vanguardmotorsales.com. And don't forget to check out our inventory because we got about 220 cars there. We're bringing in about 40 new ones every month. Now we're gonna turn this truck around and head back to the shop, and we'll try to get her inside before we get more than just a couple drops of rain on this beauty. I hate to get this dude all mucked up. Of course, if it was mine, we'd be out at the sand dunes driving through great big old sippy holes. This thing's sweet, guys. Chevrolet 72 model, four-wheel drive. That's one of the reasons you don't see very many of these trucks, because most of the guys like me that owned them back in the day was out four-wheeling. I'd have been out there in that construction site climbing a hill. We'd love to have you come visit us and check out just how beautiful this truck is. We're right outside of the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and check it out or send an inspector, we'll treat an inspector just like we'd treat you. You want to get it up in the air and look at the bottom side. If you'd like additional pictures of the truck, any areas that you want to get a close-up of, no problem. Just call Tom and talk to him. If you see some type of improvements or any kind of work that you'd like done on the truck, just call Tom. We got a whole team of mechanics that'll help you take care of anything you want to do to the truck. Aftermarket stuff, anything. The exhaust on it sounds just great. And like I said, she's driving great too. I make this my daily driver. Now down here on the dash, everything's looking good. It looks like the whole cluster's all brand new. All the paintwork looks good. Now it does look like somebody had a sticker on the dash here and they took it off. We will take care of that. We'll make sure that gets all painted up and looking beautiful before this dream hits your drive. Now we're coming up on the shop right now. We got 80,000 square feet indoors and 220 cars in stock. So if you want to come visit us, let us know you're coming. Let us know what you want to take a look at so we can make sure we got your favorite vehicle out front, because it might take us a minute. We might have to move a few. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So check us out, guys. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 72 Chevrolet pickup truck now, and man, she's pretty under here. Look at that hitch. That is a homemade hitch, and that baby looks like you could pull a freaking stump out of the ground with that. That baby's sweet. We got dual exhaust here. It looks like it's new. You can see the bottom side of the bed's painted just as nice as the top. We got an Eaton rear end in this baby, and it does have a posi, and it's right around 411. And look at that spring stack right there, man. That baby's sweet. The wheel wells are nicely painted also. It's got some brand new shocks on it. Looks like Flowmaster mufflers, and look at the size of that drive shaft. You want to say that'll deliver some torque back there. Now, all the date codes seem to line up on everything. The new process transfer case, all the date codes line up on it. We do believe all this equipment came with the truck from the factory. Drop downs look good, floorboards look great, all the braces look good, all the wiring, looks like the parking brake cable's hooked up. Everything under this truck is beautiful. It does have headers on it, big shocks in the front, disc brakes up front, and we got drums in the back, and the guys will pull those all apart. It does have a steering stabilizer on it too, keep them big old front tires from wobbling. And we do have a Dana rear end up front here. Everything's nicely painted, the frame's nice and straight. They even put some new snubbers on it for you, man. This thing is sweet, guys. Even the chrome on the front bumper looks great. It's badass, guys. 72 4x4. Let's take a look at wheels and tires. Great looking set of wheels on this truck, man. I love them. And of course, these are my favorite four-wheel drive tires right here. This is what I always keep on my trucks. Let's see, we've got, if I can find a size here, there it is, 265/70 17s up front. And those rockers are beautiful, that paint's beautiful, all the trim looks good. Now let's see what's on the rear. Out back here, 265/70 17s back here. Again, great looking wheels, and look at those wheelhouses up there. Look how nice and clean they are. Those bed sides are super clean. All the trim back here looks great. I tell you, this is one sharp truck, guys. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here. Now the previous owner states that this is the original motor. We cannot verify it because it does look like the block was decked a little bit there to clean it up before they rebuilt it. But all the date codes line up. It does have an Edelbrock 600 sitting on top. That's a 4-speed. We've got power brakes on it. We do have power steering. Everything's nicely cleaned up. You can see the heater box over here. It's all nice and beautiful. All the paintwork here looks good. Inner wheelhouses look good. Just an amazing truck here, guys. She's a 72. She's a 4-wheel drive. You don't find them this nice anywhere. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.